Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is factorization of polynomials part 3. If the polynomials of the form x square plus bx plus c, then how to factorize it? At first, we have to find integers p and q such that their sum equal to b and product equal to c. Therefore, we can write x square plus bx plus c equal to x square plus p plus q into x plus pq. Just substituting p plus q as b and pq as c. Now by simple multiplication we get x square plus px plus qx plus pq. Now taking common from the first two terms we get x into x plus p, and taking common q as the second two terms we get q into x plus p. And now we taking common x plus p and we get x plus p into x plus q. That is the factorization of x square plus bx plus c. Now problem number 1. Factorize x square plus 9x plus 18. At first we have to find out p and q such that p plus q equal to 9 and pq equal to 18. That means try to split 9 as two parts whose sum is 9 and product 18. Clearly we know that 6 plus 3 equal to 9 and 6 into 3 equal to 18. Therefore, putting the value of this in the given polynomial we get x square plus 6 plus 3 into x plus 6 into 3. Now simple multiplication we get x square plus 6x plus 3x plus 6 into 3. Now taking common from the first two terms we get x into x plus 6, and taking common 3 from the second two terms we get 3 into x plus 6. Now taking common x plus 6 we get x plus 6 into x plus 3. Hence the result will be x plus 6 into x plus 3. Problem number 2. Factorize x square plus 5x minus 24. Easy process to find p and q. Here p into q equal to minus 24. Therefore factorize 24 and we get 3, 8. Therefore 24 equal to 3 into 8. And p plus q equal to 5. Therefore the subtraction from 3 from 8 we get 5. Therefore p equal to 8 and q equal to minus 3. Just put this value in the polynomial we get x square plus 8 minus 3x minus 3 into 8. Just simple multiplication we get x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 3 into 8. Now taking common from the first two terms we get x into x plus 8, and taking common minus 3 from the second two terms we get minus 3 into x plus 8. Now taking common x plus 8 we get x plus 8 into x minus 3. Therefore x square plus 5x minus 24 equal to x plus 8 into x minus 3. Problem number 3. Factorize a to the power 4 plus 4a square plus 3. To find p and q we factorize 3 and we get 3 equal to 3 into 1. And here p plus q equal to 4. Therefore 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Therefore p equal to 3 and q equal to 1. We have to assume a square equal to x. Therefore the given polynomial transform in x square plus 4x plus 3, and we write as x square plus 3 plus 1 into x plus 3 into 1. The simple multiplication we get x square plus 3x plus x plus 3. Now taking common from the first two terms we get x into x plus 3, and taking common 1 as the rest two terms we get 1 into x plus 3. Now taking common x plus 3 and we get the factorization of the x square plus 4x plus 3. Since we assume that a square equal to x, therefore we can write a square as x. Therefore a square plus 3 into a square plus 1. This is the factorization of a to the power 4 plus 4a square plus 3. Factorization of the form ax square plus bx plus c. In the previous method, the value of a always be 1. In this method, we have to find out p and q such that p plus q equal to b and pq equal to a into c. Similar problem as the previous method. So let's do it. Problem number 1. Factorize 6x square plus 17x plus 5. We have to find out the value of p and q. Here p plus q equal to 17 and pq equal to a into c equal to 6 into 5 equal to 30. Now we have to factorize 30 and we get 30 equal to 2 into 15, and p plus q equal to 15 plus 2 equal to 17 equal to b, and p into q equal to 15 into 2 equal to 30. Therefore the given condition satisfied. Now we can write 6x square plus 17x plus 5 as 6x square plus 15 plus 2 into x plus 5. Now just simple multiplication we get 6x square plus 15x plus 2x plus 5. Now taking common 3x from the first two terms, we get 2x plus 5, and taking common 1 from the rest two terms, we get 2x plus 5. Now we take common 2x plus 5 and we get the factorization of the given polynomial as 2x plus 5 into 3x plus 1. Next, problem number 2. 2x square plus 11x minus 21. Here p plus q equal to b equal to 11 and p into q equal to minus 42. Therefore factorize 42 as divided by 2 we get 21 and divided by 3 we get 7. Therefore we can write 42 as 2 into 3 into 7. Now for p and q we have to multiply 2 and 7 and we get 14 and 3 as 3. Now just subtraction 3 from 14 we get 11, and since here given minus sign, therefore you have to subtraction here. If there will be positive sign, then you have to do addition here. Therefore p equal to 14 and q equal to -3. Now substitute these values in the given polynomial. We get 2x square plus 14 minus 3 into x minus 21. The simple multiplication, we get 2x square plus 14x minus 3x minus 21. Now taking common 2x from the first two, we get x plus 7, and taking common minus 3 from the rest two, we get x plus 7. Now take common x plus 7, we get 2x minus 3. Therefore 2x square plus 11x minus 21 equal to x plus 7 into 2x minus 3. Next, problem number 3. 4 root 3x square plus 5x minus 2 root x. Here p plus q equal to b equal to 5 and p into q equal to a into c equal to 4 into root 3 into minus 2 root 3. Therefore the product is minus 24. Now we have to do factorization of 24. We divide by 3 and we get 8, and by 2 equal to 4, and by 2 equal to 2. Therefore 24 equal to 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. After multiplying this 3 2, we get 8 and we get 3 as 3. Here b equal to 5. We have to do addition or subtraction with this 2, 8 or 3. Since there is a subtraction sign in the given question, then we have to do subtraction with these two terms 8 and 3. Now we can write as 4 root 3 x square and 5 as 8 minus 3 into x and minus 2 root 3 equal to 4 root 3 x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 2 root 3. Now taking common 4x from the first two terms, we get 4x into root 3x plus 2, and taking common root 3 from the rest 2, we get root 3x plus 2. And now we take common root 3x plus 2 and we get root 3x plus 2 into 4x minus root 3. Therefore 4 root 3x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3 is equal to root 3x plus 2 into 4x minus root 3. Try these problems at home, otherwise I will give the solution in the next video.